What's going on, everybody? We are out at Aiden's today.
What's going on, guys?
Aiden, what do you have there in your hand?
We have the DJI Phantom 3 Professional, and it's on the ground here on my camera.
Let's see if we can spin this around.
All right, here we go. Slide to take off.
Let's see if Aiden can fly this thing. What do you think about the whole takeoff process? It's pretty simple.
It's very easy. It's just a little tricky to figure this out.
Yeah, the hardest part is getting that orientation right, making sure that you don't have it. We're gonna take it over here to the side of his house. Probably take it on a trip to the backyard.
Wow, that's high.
You take it up just a little bit higher, you'll be able to clear these little trees right here. I don't know if you were gonna fly. You're gonna try and fly it backwards to the backyard?
Yeah. Go up a little bit higher.
Yeah, take it up a little bit higher. You guys can see the.
All right, here we go. That's plenty high. See, now we're recording. Whoa. Look how fast it comes back to you.
Don't back it up into the house.
That's what I'm gonna...
But yeah, the interface on that thing is super simple. It's intuitive. It's really easy to just use. It just works, I guess is the best way to put it.
Yeah, it's not a Five Below drone, you know?
Yeah, 5 below. Now what do you have? You've got about, what, 5 minutes of flight time on the thing now? He's already figuring out how to spin it, get that camera angle right, because the camera on that drone, it can actually go up and down. You could have it pointed out, and you could point it straight down as well, which is one thing I really like about that drone.
All right, so watch this. You bring it down, and you get it positioned for landing. Maybe come down just a little bit more.
Yep.
Right about there. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is sit down, slide to land, beeps at you. Down she goes.
Yep, and now we're landed.
Yeah, and that's it. And then when you're done, you just take your phone, unplug, and then pull your phone out, and
You're good to go.
close this down, and you're
Fold
done.
that thing up, put it back in.
Pretty simple. It's sweet too.
So here's the actual drone. This is my drone. You guys, I don't know if we said that here at the beginning or not, but this is the DJI Phantom 3 Professional. I've had this thing for quite a while now. I put those cool props on it because I like the black props. They look like a World War II plane.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I've never flown a drone before, other than like one I got from Five Below. And honestly, to talk about what happened, it didn't work. So I think I got like 3 foot off the ground and it crashed. But yeah, it's super sweet, and it's really nice. I know some of the newer ones are a lot smaller, but you know, this thing still does the job.
Yeah, that is a major disadvantage to this one, is it's huge. Like that's my case for it.
Yeah,
the reason I bought that case though is you can put it in there just like that. You keep the props on, you have to take the props on and off, that's a pain having to do that constantly. So in that case, you've got, as you can see, the controller there, the batteries go there, the drone will go right there, and the props, there's 2 little slots all the way around. See if we can get a little bit closer on those. The props just slide right in there, there, and there. As you can see, Aiden's gonna see if we can make sure he knows how to put it back in here, since he's gonna be using this thing for a while. Don't mess it up, no pressure. It actually goes the other way. Turn it.
Oh shoot, yeah.
Yep. Nope. Nope. Flip it again. Right there.
Oh.
And just spin the props back. Make sure they're lined up right.
Got these little foam things that line these up.
Awesome. Then that case just locks up and you're good to go.
Make sure everything's pushed down.
Yep. Sweet. So that was just a quick rundown of Aiden flying my drone. I appreciate you guys watching. What'd you think, man?
I like it. Yeah, it's really cool. Like I said, I've never flown a drone like that, and once you get used to it and figure it out, you can pick up some really nice pictures and video with it.
Yeah, this is going to be cool for Aiden because it's going to give him a different perspective. I'm sure a lot of you guys on here, a couple of my subscribers have came over from his channel, which was awesome. I appreciate that shout out.
Yeah, man.
But this is going to give him an awesome, different perspective that he's never had to be able to put into his videos to bring to you guys. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to head over to Aiden's channel and check him out as well. He's probably going to be doing a video on this as well.
Yeah, man. All right. Thank you.